Hello, my name is Mark Alvarado, and my prototype product is a mechanical pencil holder. It is made up of three subcomponents. Here's my motivation for the design of it. Here's my design process. Here's the design for manufacturing process. Component 1, sheet metal assembly, measuring distances. What I'm about to do is mark the sheet metal with a pencil and then with a permanent marker, and this will be used to later on cut it with the sheet metal cutter. Component 1, cutting using the sheet metal cutter. What I'm about to do is cut the excess material from the sheet metal assembly. Component 1, belt sander operation and reducing sharp edges. So what I'm about to do is use the belt sander to reduce the sharp edges around the corners of the sheet metal. Component 1, marking the holes for drilling. Here I've marked the holes so I can properly drill them later on. Component 1, sheet metal bender. What I'm about to do is bend the sheet metal assembly at a 90-degree angle, both ends. Component 2, aluminum block, hole drilling and countersinking. What I'm doing right now is drilling the holes into the aluminum block. Component 3, wood base support block, chop saw operation. What I'm doing here is cutting the extra length of the wood block with the chop saw. Joining all three subcomponents, and I'll be using screws to do that process. Here's the mechanical pencil holder in use. Thank you.